Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you all know, I've been studying strategic design and management at Parsons School of Design, New York, and one of my classes in my very first semester was called Introduction to Strategic Design and Management. So in this class, we studied a lot of strategic design. What is strategy? What is strategic design? How is it different from design thinking? We learned a lot of frameworks and tools. And for a final project, the final submission, we were supposed to make a video pitch for Starbucks. We didn't really pitch it to Starbucks, it was just a class assignment. So we were supposed to make a pitch to Starbucks suggesting what the strategic design changes they could implement in their company, because recently Starbucks has been in the news. It's December 2024 right now, and Starbucks has been in the news a lot with a lot of worker problems, a lot of issues that I will cover in my presentation. So this was a presentation that I made in like 2 days time. Oh my god, Kelly, my professor, if you're watching this, I spent a lot of time on it. But anyway, I've already been graded on this. So this was the presentation that I made, and all of my classmates made different presentations. There were 17 of us, and all of us looked at Starbucks through different lenses, through different problems. This is a very small aspect of the problems that I am covering, and this is just like some surface level research and how I would possibly, as a strategic designer, pitch my solutions to the company. So this is just a documentation of what I've been doing in college, and to record this video pitch on YouTube so that it doesn't get lost in my folders. So the video comes now. To let me know what you think on this, and I'm very new to strategic design. I don't know how the industry works. All I know is theory right now. So if you have any inputs, do comment them down below. Bye. Starbucks is currently grappling with significant operational inefficiencies that are negatively impacting both customer experience and employee productivity. In this presentation, we're going to see what's happening at Starbucks and what we can do about it. The agenda of this presentation is to understand the problem, define a problem statement, establish a vision, and come up with strategic solutions to the problems. Starbucks is facing a lot of issues currently. To name a few statistics, there have been very long wait times in the stores, and these wait times can go up to 30 minutes. Even though there are a lot of mobile orders, 1 in every 8 mobile ordered is abandoned, leading to huge losses to Starbucks. In the year 2024, there was a 2% decline of the total company revenue, which amounted to nearly 8.6 billion US dollars. So the problem statement is that Starbucks is facing operational inefficiencies that are harming the customer experience and employee productivity. These challenges are symptomatic of deeper structural issues within the organization, necessitating a strategic design approach to address them effectively. The vision is to come up with solutions and enhance Starbucks' operational efficiency and employee satisfaction, while also strengthening the brand's long-term growth and reputation. There are multiple points of intervention, right from addressing the operational inefficiencies to empowering the employees and reimagining the brand. This presentation is going to address the operational inefficiencies. To go to the root causes of the problem, I'm using the iceberg model to understand the events, patterns, structures, and mental models that go behind them. The events are that there are long wait times at the stores, there are abandoned mobile orders, employees are stressed due to the workload, and customers are obviously dissatisfied. The patterns to these events are that the operations are not scaled proportionately. There is a lot of seasonal traffic, and employee turnover is increasing because of these challenges. The structures are that there's limited staff training, stores lack proper trained employees, and there's inefficient feedback systems that are because of which these systems cannot be improved. The mental models to these structures are that there's only focus on expansion over optimization and profit over employee welfare. A perceived prioritization of efficiency and of cost cutting over employee well-being, leading to high stress and dissatisfaction. But how do we make sure that we can solve this problem through innovation? Innovation can itself be categorized into multiple buckets. With over 40,000 stores worldwide, there is a need for holacracy design system. It's impossible for a few teams or one person to take control and make sure that all the stores globally are running efficiently. Holacracy organizational design is basically a decentralized organizational structure where traditional hierarchies are replaced with self-managing teams. Here, the idea is to empower teams and people working in the stores itself because they are the ones who come in direct contact with the customer. To enable this, the shift timings can be changed and the employees should be encouraged to also change the layout of the stores depending on the crowd and what the store demands. Uh, there should be direct input from the store employees because they understand the customer pain points best. We need to design unique solutions tailored to the needs of these particular stores. Say, for example, if there are stores near offices or schools, there are usually fixed peak hours where the traffic is more during, say, 5 p.m. when the office hour gets over, or during lunch p.m. at around 12 p.m. Here, you usually need more staff around this time, and they may not be that skilled because usually the orders are pretty repetitive because you have customers that come back often. On the other hand, on spots that are recreational, say for example mall and tourist sites, you may need higher skilled workforce because here the orders can get crazy. The idea is that employees make the customers happy, but before making the customers happy, it's important that we make the employees happy. And we do this by implementing innovation at multiple levels in multiple forms. To create new value networks and improve accessibility and affordability, AI plus human work model is encouraged. AI can be used to manage the queues, and some orders can be taken through the kiosks. Also, the orders that are placed on the mobile can be easily analyzed by AI and can give real-time updates on the status of the coffee being made. The leadership and management framework is basically how the management itself should have a vision to inspire the people and not just focus on execution and efficiency. There should be workshops that are conducted with the employee themselves to identify the bottlenecks and ideate solutions. This will lead the employees to feel more involved and contribute directly to the solutions, to the problems, to find the solutions that they have been trying to resolve. This can also be included with dashboards where you have more data-driven tools to monitor the order flows and how the crowd is moving. And eventually, the employees can also be recognized and rewarded according to their participation. These innovation practices will ensure that employees are not only solving problems but are also motivated by the idea of ownership of their roles and contribution. Holacracy thrives on adaptability. These solutions ensure that Starbucks remain flexible while scaling its operational and cultural goals. Employees feel valued as innovators and problem solvers, reducing turnover and fostering loyalty. So, by looking at these structures and mental models, we're trying to build holacracy for team autonomy and driving data-driven solutions for resource planning. Here, we're aiming towards a more human plus tech synergy and employee-centric practices, and switching from a mindset that is just driven by efficiency to a mindset that values refining and optimizing. The impact of these small solutions can be large, where financially we could help reverse the 2% decline in the total company revenue, and this could also potentially recover the 12.5% loss of mobile order revenue, and of course the customer retention and employee satisfaction would be increased. All these solutions can be implemented within a quarter to 6 months time period. By adopting these innovation driven strategies, Starbucks can thrive in an increasingly competitive and dynamic market landscape. Thank you.